Okay, hey, this is Sean Merritt. I'm going to talk about WordPress today for my presentation. All right, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you learn a lot. All right, let's start by obviously going to WordPress.com. Mine's already typed in. Okay, yours is going to look completely different from this. This is because I've already started tinkering with it and stuff like that. But what yours is going to look like is just a large picture with a Get Started tab. Just click on that Get Started tab. I'll give you a minute to do that. And then if I remember correctly, the next part is searching for a domain name. You can search for whatever you want to search for. I was able to, my first search came out with a seanmerritt.com domain that was open and available. And so I think I was pretty lucky in that. And so what I did was, I'm going to use this for my project anyway. And so I figured while that name is available, that I would go ahead and buy it. So I went ahead and purchased it and went through. Now hopefully you'll be able to go through this stuff for free and not have to fool with purchasing anything. Alright, and so I purchased it, and the first thing it did was send me 3 emails. First email was to activate the site. The second email was to verify my email address. And the third email was, I'm going to go ahead and close this. Third email was this. Basically just kind of helping you get started. Set up your blog, set up your website. Okay, so the first thing I did was to set up my blog. Set up your blog in 5 steps. And I could go into this, but this is a little more difficult than just setting up the blog. Quite simply, it's very easy to do. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is go to seanmerritt.com, and here's my new website. Alright, nothing found. I've erased everything that I posted so that I could do this video and run through it with you, and also give me more practice to do this stuff. So my site. So what I want to do is add a blog post. Alright, that'll work. That's good enough. Publish it. Make sure you always publish this stuff. Every time you make any changes, you have to publish, and it saves it. Alright, so now I can go to the reader if I want to just look at it. Hi, this is Sean Merritt. I'm new to this, so please give me time to post my stuff. Alright, let's go back to my site. And what we need to do, we can look at themes real quick, just to kind of show you. It's got a ton of themes that you can run through and choose from. I have no clue what I'm going to choose at this point. I haven't even tried any of them, so that will be one of the next steps in doing this. Alright, but what we really need to do today, the important thing, is creating pages. Alright, if we want to go back to the email, it's going to help you set up your website. Build your website in 5 steps. Prep, publish a page. And so this basically walks you through everything you need to do. This is very valuable. Alright, and I'll let you read this email for yourself later, because you can do that on your own. I am going to go into it and show you how to do it. So let's add a page. I'm just going to type my name on it, This will probably be my home page. I'll show you how to do that next. Publish. Then there are various things you can do. Let's do an image. Set featured image. What you'll have to do is just basically add new and upload an image. Alright, so I've already done that. So I'm just going to check it, set the featured image. Alright, and there's my first page. Okay, update always. And let's go back. So, the next thing in Build Your Website, we want to set up a home page. Set a static home page. Okay, and again, you can look through this stuff if you want to. Oh. Alright, this is why I think you might need the emails sent to you in order to do this, because you need a site customizer to set up this page. I'm sure you could go through just the SeanMerritt.com and be able to do it, but I have not been able to find this site customizer anywhere. And so here we go with the site customizer, and what we want to do is static front page. We're going to set static page, and we're going to select one. Let's select that Sean Merritt one. Save and publish. There it goes. Save and publish. And that's pretty easy. So far, so good. Okay. Now, the next thing we want to do is go back to this original email, learn how to create your menu. That's what we're going to do next. Okay, so just briefly to go back over it, we can look at this and look at the posts, pages. We've got the page. Look at options, current location, sharing, it's got all kind of stuff that you can do. Featured image. Okay, so we've done that. Alright, now let's go to menus. And the email, what the email is going to tell us to do is learn how to create your menu. Alright, so we're going to create a custom menu. Go to My Sites, click on Menus, do the primary menu area for your theme. That's already selected for you, and default menu has been started. Okay, so what we want to do is go to Menus. What we're going to do is, I've already set this one up. So basically, what you would do is just click on Default Menu, set it up as the home, Sean Merritt, set it up like that, set up this one. And that's going to be my home page. Okay, save it. We can tinker with this a little bit. Primary menu, 2 menus available. The primary menu uses the default menu. Default is home, so we don't want to do that. Menu 1 is what we want to do. So now the primary menu is going to use excuse me, this as my home page. Alright, I think that's about it. That's just the basics for getting started. And so if you have any questions, I guess we can talk about this uh, the following Tuesday, and we can go into it a little bit more. And by that time, I will have tinkered with this a lot more and learned a lot more about it. But so far, just the basics, and what I'm learning, I can teach to you, and that's it. Okay, so thank you. Y'all have a good day. Bye bye.